This video is for internal and external rotation of the hip. So we're going to be doing this. So we're going to be up nice and tall. We're going to drop the knees to one side and come back up, and then we're going to the opposite side. So we're going over and back like so. So when we're doing this, we're sitting up nice and tall, so we're not slouching. So we're not back like this and going over and back. Up nice and tall, get yourself up into this kind of tall position here. Hands back, hands straight. When we're doing this, I'm starting off roughly with my knees about shoulder width apart, and I'm dropping it in. When I'm dropping it, I'm getting lift here, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to get used to the movement. I'm just going to go over and back like so. When I go this side, this leg, that's going internal. I'm getting lift on this side, okay? So this leg here is an internal rotation, this one is in external. So you've got over and back between the two. Go over back maybe about 10 times. There's no magic number as such. Just make sure it feels comfortable. When you're starting off, don't do too many reps starting off until you get used to it. Sometimes afterwards you can feel a bit achy and around the hips, so just keep the reps low starting off and see how you go over the course of a week. So doing this maybe 2 to 3 times a week, starting off if you can, okay? So over and back like so. So doing that, number of reps on that, over and back, trying to get knees towards the floor. If they don't go towards the floor, don't worry about it. Then you're going to do it, again, we're going to get ourselves up nice and tall, make sure you check yourself there. We're dropping it over. And this time, I'm just going to go as far as I can without getting lift on this side, okay? So I'm not too bad on this side. I can go decent amount, okay? My knee is getting to about here before I'm getting this glute coming off the floor, okay? So my sit bones, I'm going to try and keep on the floor and see how much I can get with actually keeping my glutes on the floor. So over and back like so. I'll kind of go over and back like this. Maybe just focus on the one side and keep it handy. You can hold it for a number of seconds if you want. Bring it back up and keep the movement nice and controlled and don't rush it. Then I go to the other side and do the other side. So on this side I don't have as much internal rotation, so I don't get as deep before my glute lifts off the floor, okay? So over and back like so, and that's something for me to work on a bit more, okay? So that's leg is going internal, this one's going external, and that's just a way to try and improve hip mobility.